I bought the Starlink Mini. Let's unbox it and set it up. All right, it looks like it just has some pull tabs that you just pull on the side. That one. And then one more here. So in the box is the satellite dish, a post mount, a AC to DC plug, US style since I'm in the US. Underneath your panel, you've got your information booklet and a 30-foot power cable. Let's plug it in and get it set up. This kit is super simple. It's really two components you need out of the box: power cable, satellite dish. Let's get it set up and see how it runs. So the power cable that comes with it is roughly 30 feet, and it includes this barrel plug with this waterproof adapter. It's the same on both sides, so it doesn't actually matter what goes into the panel or what goes into the power adapter. So I'm just going to take one side and plug it in to the power adapter. Sits nice and flush. And then on the panel, if you can see, there's one hole here for the barrel plug. And then there's this sealed off hole here for an Ethernet cable. Cat 5, Cat 6. We're just going to plug in the barrel plug. And now the panel is ready to be plugged in and set up outside. So I have the panel outside, plugged into a Predator 250 battery backup, because this is most likely the setup I would use for this Starlink Mini. So let's go into the app and set it up. So the Starlink is plugged in, powered on, and set up just outside. Now we're going to go into the app on my phone and complete the setup. So go into the Starlink app. You're going to click Start Setup. I have the Mini, so we're going to select the Mini. I already set it up in a clear view. You want to make sure there's nothing obstructing it, like trees. You want a good angle. In the box, it says the angle that you want. This also will help you find your angle. Click I have a clear view, central location. So it's pretty close, maybe 25 feet from where the Starlink is. So I'm in a good spot. My Starlink is plugged in. And now we can go to Open Settings. And we can click Starlink. And we're going to join the Starlink network. We've now connected to the Starlink network. And we can head back to the app. And our Starlink has been paired. And now we need to click Activate Starlink. So once you've gone through the activation phase, which is just signing up for a subscription, I'm using the Roam 100 gigabyte plan. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do the update. So it's going to update and reboot itself. So go ahead and click OK. It's going to go through the process. All we have to do now is configure our Wi-Fi. Projects with Matt. We'll give it a password. It's going to update the router. Let's run a quick speed test. $168 download, 36 upload, and 35 milliseconds on the ping. 35 milliseconds on the ping is okay. Starlink boasts they can do anywhere from 25 to 40. So 35 is on the upper end, but 168 down and 36 on the up is pretty good. Let's use a speed test such as Google's or Ookla's. All right, let's run the Google speed test, see where that comes up at. Sitting right plus 150, 153 on the down. Yeah, Google's speed test says 153 on the down, 15 on the up, and 17 millisecond ping. And that's the unboxing and a quick little test of the Starlink Mini. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more content of this Starlink Mini in the future. See you guys in the next one.